All right, let's begin the broadcast with some breaking inputs coming in. Here's a reaction coming in from BJP MP Kangana Ranaut on leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi. Kangana Ranaut says हम महिलाओं को बहुत ज्यादा उनको देखकर uncomfortable feel होता है क्योंकि एकदम and she calls Rahul Gandhi टपोरी की तरह वो आते हैं और किसी को भी A to A. So she is criticizing Rahul Gandhi for the language that Rahul Gandhi uses. Kangana Ranaut says she feels uncomfortable. Women MPs feel uncomfortable around Rahul Gandhi. This is because of how Rahul Gandhi speaks.
हम महिलाओं को बहुत ज़्यादा उनको देखकर जो है अनकंफर्टेबल भी फील होता है क्योंकि एकदम जैसे टपोरी की तरह वो आते हैं और किसी को भी तू ऐसे करके तू तड़ाक करते हैं। ऐसे कोई इंटरव्यू दे रहा हो तो उनको वो एक तरह शूटिंग कॉल्स करते हैं, आजा आजा मेरे साथ तो आई एम टेलिंग यू इट इज़ वेरी अनकंफर्टेबल द वे ही कॉन्डक्ट्स हिमसेल्फ। ही शुड सी हिज सिस्टर। उनका कॉन्डक्ट, उनका बिहेवियर कितना अच्छा है, कितना जिसे कह सकते हैं एटिकेट्स उनके बहुत अच्छे हैं, लेकिन राहुल गांधी हिमसेल्फ इज़ अ शेम, आई मस्ट से।
All right, we have Kritika and Pragya both joining us in the broadcast. Kritika, that was Kangana Ranaut who says she feels uncomfortable. Women MPs feel uncomfortable around Rahul Gandhi, and that's because of his conduct. That's because of how he talks.
Well, yes, and remember this is also coming in at a time wherein BJP is all guns blaring against Rahul Gandhi over the incident of him having tea at the steps of the Makar Dwar while he was also protesting. Now, Kangana Ranaut previously has also spoken about how Rahul Gandhi's presence makes her feel uncomfortable. This time, she's also gone far as to say that the treatment of Rahul Gandhi is akin to that of a tapori, and that he's heckling, in fact, other MPs while they give interviews, and that is what makes her and other women MPs feel very uncomfortable in the presence of Rahul Gandhi. Remember, earlier as well, there were in fact allegations from the BJP that women MPs from the opposition were being used by the Congress as well as the other India Alliance partners to create ruckus and in fact stop the treasury benches as well as they were approaching them. There was a huge protest over this as well a few months back, just earlier in the session. And now you're seeing this very, in fact, huge allegation being made by Kangana Ranaut. Kangana Ranaut is also, in fact, giving an advice to Rahul Gandhi to see to how Priyanka Gandhi conducts herself inside the parliament, which as per Mr. Ranaut is in fact of a very good conduct as well. So of course, this is also a double-edged allegation that she's made. On the one hand, she's alleged that Rahul Gandhi is behaving like a tapori. These are the words that she has used. And on the other hand, she's also drawing...
Kritika, stay on with us. Let's once again listen into what Kangana Ranaut had to say.
हम महिलाओं को बहुत ज़्यादा उनको देखकर जो है अनकंफर्टेबल भी फील होता है क्योंकि एकदम जैसे टपोरी की तरह वो आते हैं और किसी को भी तू ऐसे करके तू तड़ाक करते हैं। ऐसे कोई इंटरव्यू दे रहा हो तो उनको वो एक तरह शूटिंग कॉल्स करते हैं, आजा आजा मेरे साथ तो आई एम टेलिंग यू इट इज़ वेरी अनकंफर्टेबल द वे ही कॉन्डक्ट्स हिमसेल्फ। ही शुड सी हिज सिस्टर। उनका कॉन्डक्ट, उनका बिहेवियर कितना अच्छा है, कितना जिसे कह सकते हैं एटिकेट्स उनके बहुत अच्छे हैं, लेकिन राहुल गांधी हिमसेल्फ इज़ अ शेम, आई मस्ट से। हम महिलाओं को बहुत ज़्यादा उनको देखकर जो है अनकंफर्टेबल भी फील होता है क्योंकि एकदम जैसे टपोरी की तरह वो आते हैं और किसी को भी तू ऐसे करके तू तड़ाक करते हैं।
We also have Pragya on the broadcast. Pragya, Kangana Ranaut says the way Rahul Gandhi talks is disrespectful. उनको अपनी बहन से सीखना चाहिए.
Well, that was the experience of Ms. Kangana Ranaut, and in fact, there are many MPs who believe that there is lack of courtesy as far as Rahul Gandhi is concerned. Even to the senior MPs, of his own party, he has been a bit disrespectful.
Okay, Pragya, I apologize. I have to interrupt you. We have Mr. Rashid Dalvi joining us on the broadcast. How do you respond to those comments that have come in from Kangana Ranaut for Rahul Gandhi?
Yeah, you just heard on your channel. Who asked her to meet Rahul Gandhi? Who has forced her to Rahul Gandhi? She must meet only those persons with whom she is comfortable. She may be comfortable with so many her heroes of film industries. So she must go there. She must meet her. Nobody has asked her to meet.
But she's not saying this has been her interaction. She's saying she's viewed it, observed. This is how Rahul Gandhi behaves. This is an observation.
There are 542 MPs in Lok Sabha. Why she is observing only Rahul Gandhi? What is the matter?
He's the leader of opposition, sir. Everybody notices the leader of opposition.
No. Have you heard from any other MP like this? It is only she. Who has asked her to observe Rahul Gandhi? Don't ask. Rahul Gandhi is an extremely cultured person. Extremely nice
But
person.
she also says
You
that
may have-
Rahul Gandhi should learn from Priyanka, and she, appreciates Priyanka Gandhi's etiquettes.
No, it is a different thing. She's appreciating Priyanka Gandhi. She's not appreciating. Rahul Gandhi is extremely nice human being, extremely cultured person. You may differ with as far as political ideology is concerned, is a different thing. But you can't say that she's uncultured, he's whatever words she's using. You just let me know whether any cultured person can use such words. She's using unparliamentary words, objectionable words. Have you heard? She's herself uncultured.
And but Kangana Ranaut is not the only one or the first one to raise questions on Rahul Gandhi's conduct inside the parliament. There are others who question his attire. There are those who question his chai biscuit protest outside the parliament as well.
No, you are also raising this question. If you are raising, then you ask me question. Why are you saying other persons also? You have said about her. Now you ask any question.
No, I'm not changing question. You said she's the only one. Why is she observing Rahul Gandhi? On that, I said there are others as well who talk about his conduct.
If you want to prove her right,
No.
I can't help you.
It's not about me proving anybody right or wrong. It's just
So
me
you let
asking
me
you
know
questions.
the names of those persons who have
It's just
given
me
such
asking you
statements.
questions about other reactions also that have come to fore, not the first time. That's what I'm asking you.
The reactions of other persons. Who are they? Let me know the names.
The Home Minister has questioned the chai biscuit protest.
Home Minister, have you heard her speech? No Home Minister in the country has used the word Saleh. No Home Minister in the country.
What about the civil society that wrote an open letter yesterday saying Rahul Gandhi's conduct inside and outside the parliament is damaging the reputation of the country?
Why are you hiding when I say that no Home Minister has used?
I am not hiding
word?
anywhere. The fact that I'm asking you questions and I'm taking your responses, I am not hiding. You're the one who has to respond. You're responding. You can take a jibe at anybody that you'd like to. Let Pradeep Bhandari come in. Pradeep Bhandari, Rashid Alvi says, why is Kangana targeting only Rahul Gandhi? And on the question of others alleging that Rahul Gandhi's conduct is inappropriate, he says, look at the speech of the Home Minister.
Well, it's very well proven that the Congress party is an anti-women party. They speak about the slogan of Ladki Hoon Lad Sakti Hoon. But if you recall and remember how even the poster girl of Ladki Hoon Lad Sakti Hoon alleged that she was feeling unsafe in the Congress party. What the Honorable Member of Parliament has said is the sentiment which every women MP, whether in Congress or in other parties, feel when they interact with Rahul Gandhi. A, he is casual. B, he is extremely insincere with his job. 3, his dressing sense does not represent that of a member of parliament. And 4, women feel insecure when they interact with him. And it's just not about Rahul Gandhi, it's the culture of the Congress party. This is why the Congress party, even when the Honorable President of India, Draupadi Murmu, was insulted by the remarks, the Congress remains silent. In Congress, there is institutionalization of culture of passing remarks against women. Rashid Alvi ji is known for his sexist remark on the former minister Smriti Irani ji, for which he had to publicly apologize. So if the Congress party does not want to apologize, wants to treat it as a normal state of affairs, well, the women of India have taught the Congress a lesson. They will continue to teach Congress a lesson.
Okay, so you're saying this is not just Rahul Gandhi, this is the mindset of the Congress party. Pradeep, thank you for speaking with us. Let's go back to our reporters. Kritika and Pragya are on the broadcast with us. Kangana Ranaut says that she feels uncomfortable, that women MPs feel uncomfortable around Rahul Gandhi, and that's because of the way he talks. It's disrespectful. Listen in.
हम महिलाओं को बहुत ज़्यादा उनको देखकर जो है अनकंफर्टेबल भी फील होता है, क्योंकि एकदम जैसे टपोरी की तरह वो आते हैं और किसी को भी तू ऐसे करके तू तड़ाक करते हैं। ऐसे कोई इंटरव्यू दे रहा हो तो उनको वो एक तरह शूटिंग कॉल्स करते हैं, आजा मेरे साथ, तो आई एम टेलिंग यू इट इज़ वेरी अनकंफर्टेबल द वे ही कॉन्डक्ट्स हिमसेल्फ। ही शुड सी हिज सिस्टर। उनका कॉन्डक्ट, उनका बिहेवियर कितना अच्छा है, कितना जिसे कह सकते हैं एटिकेट्स उनके बहुत अच्छे हैं, लेकिन राहुल गांधी हिमसेल्फ इज़ a shame, I must say.
All right, we have IP Singh joining us on the broadcast now. IP Singh, कंगना रनौत की बात आपने सुनी होगी, टपोरी कह रही हैं, राहुल गांधी को कह रही हैं, जैसे वो आते हैं पार्लियामेंट में तू तड़ाक की भाषा का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, डिसरिस्पेक्टफुल है, अनकंफर्टेबल वो लोग फील करते हैं।
देखिए, बीजेपी को ऐसी सती सावित्री हीरोइनें जो है वो बहुत पसंद है
मतलब
और उनकी भाषा, उनकी शिक्षा ये पूरे देश और दुनिया जानती है। कंगना रनावत जो है कई विषयों में पीएचडी की है और वो भी साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी की एक्सपर्ट है, इसलिए उन्हें विशेष तौर से मुंबई से लाकर हिमाचल प्रदेश में चुनाव लड़ाया गया, सांसद बनाया गया। संसद में वो अच्छी भाषा का प्रयोग कर सके, भारतीय महिलाओं का वो चेहरा बन सके, तो इसलिए वो इस तरह के लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन के बारे में टपोरी शब्द तो मैं समझता हूं कि आप और हम आज मजबूरी में ऐसे शब्दों का नाम ले रहे हैं। जो सच में ऐसा होता है, जिसका एटमॉस्फेयर होता है, वही ऐसी घृणित भाषा और का प्रयोग करता है। मैं समझता हूं कि ये बीजेपी जो संस्कार देश में दे रही है, ऐसे लोगों को रवि किशन जैसे, मनोज तिवारी जैसे डुअर्थी गाना गाने वाले, कैरेक्टर निभाने वाले और कंगना रनौत जैसी फिल्में करने वाले, जिस तरह का इनका चाल चरित्र और चेहरा है।
कंगना रनौत के चरित्र पर सवाल उठा रहे हैं, चाल चरित्र कंगना रनौत का
जो है वो सबके सामने है, कुछ भी छुपा नहीं है।
अगर एक बात कही आप उसका जवाब दीजिए। किसी के चरित्र पर जाने की क्या जरूरत है आईपी सिंह?
देश के लिए शर्म की बात है। अपने गिरबान में झांक के देखिए कि उनका चाल चरित्र और चेहरा कैसा है।
नहीं, एक मिनट, ये चरित्र पर जाने की जरूरत क्या है? अगर वो एक बात राहुल गांधी के बारे में कह रही हैं, आप उससे सहमत नहीं है, तो आप अपनी राय रखिए। आप किसी और के चरित्र पर क्यों जा रहे हैं, क्यों उंगली उठा रहे हैं चरित्र पर? महिला की बात,
देश के सामने जो देश देखता है वो मैं सामने रख रहा हूं।
All right, IP Singh, thank you very much for speaking with us. So, reactions coming in from Congress and the Samajwadi Party as well, hitting out at Kangna Ranaut for calling Rahul Gandhi's conduct Tapori-like. We're moving on. We have some breaking inputs coming in.